Okay, we have still collard greens. I tell you, year-round collard greens. This has been fantastic. We have several plants. We have 4 here. Here, this is your eggplant and the purple flower that you're looking at. Any flower, that's what becomes the fruit. And so we have another flower here. Let's go wide. These are little eggplants coming in. We got lots of grapes here. They're all over the place, which is what a grapevine should be. There we have some there. And these plants here are about 12 months in. More collard greens. So we have more collard greens here. Let's get my shadow out of the camera. These are collard greens. And so far they've been producing year-round. We all know what this is. This is moringa. Look at this. Now, this was cut down to just a stick 3 weeks ago, and here we are back in full bloom again. The more you cut moringa, the more it grows. We have moringa soap and tea, and the capsules. You can grind the powder and make a capsule out of it. And we have more collard greens here. One of the larger cypress palm. I just cut off one of these little branches here, stick it in the soil, and I get another plant. That's what's so beautiful about nature. Now, what these are here, these are cucumbers coming up. We've had a lot of good success with cucumbers. They're very easy to grow, very nutritious, tastes great in a salad. This is turmeric. After I cleared out some of the bush from the watermelon's excess, this is what we have. It was growing in the midst of the watermelons. And this is a beautiful turmeric plant. We usually harvest that in December, January. Beautiful plant, real easy to grow. Great seasoning. Vine, y'all. And we got clusters of grapes. Let's see if I can reveal some over here. You can see we got grapes there. And we have more right in there. These things are humongous. And they're probably, say about a month from, I've already tried some of them. They still kind of real tart right now. But once, we'll give them another month and they should be ready. This beautiful plant here is turmeric, and I usually harvest that around January, December, January, and I have that in different patches throughout the property, and it does very well. Easy growing plant. And this was something that kind of sprang up on its own. And of course we got moringa here. And I'm going to show you how, oh man, this is the miracle plant. I use it in salads. We make soap out of it. And the tea is fantastic. Is the watermelon patch, and I have to get in here and clean this out a little bit because it had began to take over the other leaves you see here. These are sweet potato leaves, and so I let the sweet potatoes and the watermelon sort of battle it out. The watermelons here is blackberries, and I'm getting that well established. It's been in the ground about 6 months. I have it here, and as you can see I have some if you want to make your own potash or potash, however you want to say it, one of the nutrients that the plants love, you just burn some wood and that will give you some potash. That's exactly what it said.